Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can improve video quality in CapCut with effects. So we are going to go to effects and we're going to go to video effects, and let's just search for the word smart sharpen, and we're going to select it. Okay, let's just try to find the sharpen instead. And okay, I'm just going to use the sharpen edges one instead of the smart sharpen. It's the same, it's kind of the same, but I'm just going to choose that one. And I'm going to add it to the whole entire video. I'm also going to adjust it a little bit. Let me just reset that because I adjusted the size too much. Press the check mark button. And then go to video effects and find the blur effect. And add that onto your video. And select adjust. Actually, just leave it at that. And have it till the end of your video. And you're going to want to export that first. Save to device. You're then going to go back and you're going to delete the effects, and you're going to import that video that you just exported as the overlay. So go back here, select overlay, and add that overlay on. Just like so. I'm just going to adjust the video a little bit. Go to blend mode and select overlay and just adjust that to your liking. That's it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!